a veteran bound to a wheelchair for years, battling cancer after a surgery on his spinal cord.
Now he is back on his feet, living with a new form of cancer, but overcoming each and every challenge on the way to his graduation day.
Reporter Rachel Carden shares the story of a local man whose new goal in life is to bring a little sweetness into the world.
And there we go.
You'd never know it looking at Curtis Worsley.
And I'm cheating.
But he's back on his feet after spending years in a wheelchair. He then had to fight bone cancer and now has liver cancer.
I think I was at my lowest low, to the point where I had gave up on life.
Worsley took us back to 2005 after an IED explosion overseas injured his spinal cord. He had been in the Army since 2000 but knew his time in the service would be cut short. His mother was there, pushing him.
She made her way there and she made me start eating, and she told me this wasn't the end.
In 2007, Worsley had surgery and completed rehab. By the end of 2008, he could walk. But then he found out he had bone cancer. He fought it and did a little soul searching for the next few years when his fiancée pushed him into chasing his dream of owning a bakery.
I got a phone call from the school and I'm like, I did not call no one. He had ended up calling every culinary program in this area, setting appointments for me.
Now he bounces around the kitchen at ECPI University's Culinary Arts School.
So using couverture chocolate.
Baking treats.
Hopefully they come out pretty.
That were served at his own graduation.
Worsley said he got a lot of support here at the Culinary Institute of Virginia, and he had one particular teacher that helped him through his darkest days.
She checked up on me. She helped me get my work done. Extended times where I was able to come in on other days and make up time.
On Friday, he crossed that stage, cheered on by the many people who pushed him to get to this place. At 36 years young, his life is really just beginning.
And every time I think about it, I still get emotional now because, like, all the stuff that I've been through.
Worsley already has plans to open a bakery in Hampton Roads with a few of his classmates, but tells us it'll be so much more than that.
I want to have couples nights where they can come in and bake together. I want to be able to have senior citizen nights where they come and be able to decorate cakes. Children's come and do cookies.
This sweet new adventure has only begun. In Norfolk, I'm Rachel Carden, News 3.